Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The Brabus Super Class Motorhome, which is expected to be released in 2025, is the pinnacle of mobile luxury and custom engineering, painstakingly designed for discriminating travelers who want unmatched comfort and performance. This motorhome, which builds on a foundation of luxury car construction, is anticipated to exemplify Brabus's renowned methodology of enhancing pre-existing platforms to unprecedented degrees of power and elegance. The 2025 Brabus Super Class Motorhome's exterior will probably have a sophisticated yet commanding appearance. Anticipate aerodynamic improvements that are smoothly incorporated into the vehicle's design. These improvements maximize fuel economy and stability at greater speeds, in addition to giving the car a more dynamic look. Unquestionably, the motorhome's distinctiveness will be highlighted by the prominent display of custom Brabus alloy wheels, a hallmark of their vehicles. It will be further set apart from traditional recreational vehicles by subtle yet powerful style cues, including exclusive Brabus badging and carefully designed lighting components. The 2025 Brabus Super Class Motorhome's interior promises a luxuriously comfortable and technologically advanced space. The use of high-end materials, such as exquisite leathers, exotic woods, and custom metal trim, all painstakingly handcrafted to the highest standards, will define the living area. Spaciousness and functionality will probably be given top priority in the arrangement, with well-planned living, dining, and sleeping spaces. Modern climate control, perfectly integrated smart home technologies, and cutting-edge entertainment systems will guarantee a comfortable and opulent living environment wherever you live. It is anticipated that the 2025 Brabus Super Class Motorhome's power plant will provide performance worthy of its esteemed name. It is realistic to expect a powerful and refined engine, perhaps boosted by Brabus's renowned engineering prowess, which would provide effortless cruising and substantial power reserves. Even though particular details are still up in the air, modernized braking and suspension technologies will probably be included to offer a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Regarding positioning in the market, the 2025 Brabus Super Class Motorhome will surely be in the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle market. It will serve those who appreciate uniqueness, superb craftsmanship, and unwavering performance. This RV offers a smooth transition between the conveniences of a luxurious home and the freedom to explore. It is more than just a means of transportation. The Brabus Super Class Motorhome, which is expected to be released in 2025, is set to revolutionize luxury travel by providing an unmatched fusion of residential luxury and automotive excellence.